Installing a PCS power conversion station. Attention! For your safety, use a lift tool to install the PCS into the rack. Note: you might need to update the firmware or driver after replacing a component. If the guide fence is not in the PCS position, lift it and reinstall it in the PCS slots. Move the lift tool assembly next to the work table where the PCS is. Adjust the lift tool so that the bottom of the lift tool fixture aligns with the bottom of the PCS and the sides of fixture are parallel to the PCS. Note: turn the lift tool handle clockwise to raise the fixture and counterclockwise to lower the fixture. Slide the PCS onto the lift tool fixture. Move the lift tool assembly to the rear of the rack. Push the foot pedal down to lock the wheel brake on the lift tool. Adjust the lift tool so that the PCS is aligned with the PCS bay of the enclosure. Hold the top and bottom parts of the PCS and slide it into the PCS bay. Do not slide the PCS all the way into the bay. Hold the PCS by its handles. Pull the latches outward to open them. Holding the PCS handles, slide it into the bay. Push the latches inwards to lock the PCS in place. Pull the power socket latches outwards. Connect the power cord to the power socket. Push the latches closed to secure the power cord in place.